Alright guys, welcome to 2021. As a matter of fact, this is a great year. I hope you go to church. Okay, don't forget you're watching AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. If today is your first time you are coming to our channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button, share and like. Click on the notification button so that you can always get our video whenever we post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, also do the same thing, share, copy, like, so that other people can benefit from this as well. Okay, for those of you who want to buy recipe, don't forget, wherever you are, being the US, being Canada, Asia country, Europe, other part of Africa, UK, you can always call on this number. Call on the number, you get to us. We sell all kind of recipe, cosmetic, I swear we sell too. Okay, so I have something in mind I want to give to you guys for free today. A DIY that you can do on your own, very simple. And I'm going to list the items, but before that, let me tell you what DIY we're doing. A powerful face cleanser that will make your face look like 3D. You see my face, you see my face like this, you make your face look like 3D. Like I said, I use some Adobe Photoshop on my face. Never. It's a face cleanser I'll be using. You see, look at it very well. It's a face cleanser I did myself. So I want to give you the recipe. Let me first of all name the recipe. I list them. List it. Don't come disturb me on my WhatsApp. Hey yo, why come you don't drop the recipe? Let me first of all drop the recipe before I tell you how you could use it. So I have them on my body here. Okay, first of all, y'all going to use the recipe is there. So y'all going to use recipe like Santando lotion and 42 hours lotion whitening toning, and then you're going to use Royal Loss. You're going to use again Skin Daughter Toner Papaya Extract, and then at the same time you use glycolic acid and your base cleanser activator, alcoholic 500 ml, and vitamin B3 and malic acid. With that, you're done. You can get this texture. You see, very fine. I know you don't need to tell me. Yes, the only guy who do skincare things, and that people, they jealous about it. Like, they mad at me. Oh, come on. A lot of people, they become talk to me. I go, why you do this? Why you do this? I don't give a heck about that, because it's something I know vividly. I know how to do. So in a quick one, let's begin. Let's see how we can promise this to get this texture. Okay, trust me. Let's begin. Okay, we making a 2,000 ml bottle. That's what we want to. You can make any of your own shots. You can make any bottle of your own shots. But what we want to make right now is a 2,000 ml bottle. So it should be something like this. So first of all, in the items we're going to use, your Santano lotion should be 5 pieces on this ground now. So and your 42 hours lotion toning, it should be 5 pieces too. You can use any of the 42 hours. We have different type, so you can use anyone. So your Royal Loss, you use 2 pieces, don't forget. And your Skin Daughter Toner Papaya Extra, you can use 2 pieces. And then your base cleanser activator, you can use like 200 ml also. Your Santana lotion, you pour in inside your bowl, and then your 42-hour lotion, that serum you put inside the bowl also, and then your Royal Loss you put inside the bowl. Then your Skin Daughter Toner Papaya Extract you put inside the bowl. Then you take your base cleanser activator, use it to dissolve the vitamin B3, and then you use it to dissolve the malic acid together. Then stir together and you put inside the bowl also. Then what comes next? Don't forget, what comes next is your glycolic acid, 100 ml. You put it and then you stir together perfectly. Then lastly, what you're going to put is your alcoholic 500 ml. You put all of it and you stir together perfectly. Before you know it, your cleanser, you stir together, you blend it with your hand blender. Now before you know, your face cleanser is done. You get this texture. Isn't that amazing? All right, we've come to the end of the class. Yes, before I leave you, if you're looking for your recipe to buy, or your skincare recipe to buy, or or your cosmetic to buy, call out us, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, you know. And they say I'm the only guy with this skincare. They started calling me names, and I appreciate that. You know, call me names, I like that anyway. You know, it's a perfect thing. That's a lot. I do right things for the people to help themselves. So it's a good thing, isn't it? It's a good thing. So if you're looking for your skincare product to buy, call out us. You know, being in US, anywhere, we ship everywhere. Canada, UK, Asia country, African country, as well, we ship everywhere. So don't forget, you know, we've come to a new year. Be a good person. Don't be those people who do their skincare, who do their product in their use. Be a good person. Show them the right thing. Say, remain blessed.